Hello everyone, this is JD from Benchmark, and today I'm going to show you how to change the background color in MicroSurvey CAD. Now here we are on the project viewport where I already have a variety of points scattered across the screen. So let's say that as I'm working, I've gotten tired of looking at these green points on black, so I decide to change the background to white. I can do that by going to the top toolbar here and selecting Tools. In this Tools menu, I then have to select Options. This brings us to the main Options menu, where we can tailor the software to our liking. Today, the Display tab is the one I'm interested in. To change the background color, I now have to select Color Scheme. Here we can change the color of anything and everything. Obviously, I'm interested in the background, so I'll select it. I then move on to Color and change it from black to white. In the bottom here, I can see a preview of the change, and if I'm happy with it, I will then click Apply and Close. Wow, that is harsh. I think I'll change it back. But that's about it. If you have any questions about this video or about any others on our YouTube channel, please give us a call at 1-888-286-3204 or visit our website at bench-mark.ca.